WAN005 signifies a failure in WAN wide area network authentication. This means your T-Mobile home internet gateway can't securely connect to T-Mobile's network. The gateway uses your SIM card, either eSIM or physical, to verify with T-Mobile's servers, and WAN005 arises when this process fails. Common root causes include poor signal strength below 90 dBm, damaged cables, firmware bugs, or issues on T-Mobile's side like IP address conflicts. It is very important to determine and rule out simple fixes like signal strength or damaged cables before contacting support. Power cycling the gateway and checking the SIM card are the first troubleshooting steps. Troubleshooting and potential solutions for error WAN005. First, power cycle your T-Mobile gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Second, check the SIM card is properly seated. Then verify all cable connections are secure. If the problem persists, contact T-Mobile support for a SIM swap or remote reset. Some users have found success by relocating the gateway to a spot with better signal or using a signal booster. If issues started recently after a firmware update, know that T-Mobile is aware of ongoing issues and is scheduled to release patches. WAN005 is often related to network congestion, which is most prevalent in expanding areas, tied to increased device density and spectrum sharing, causing authentication bottlenecks.